Hey guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to day 14 of 21 days to good hair. Today's ingredient is something which we know is very good for your skin, but I didn't know that it's so great for your hair as well. Well, today's ingredient is papaya, guys. So papaya has great amount of folic acid, and folic acid helps promote circulation to your follicles, which promotes hair growth. And papaya seeds, which we always throw out, is something we should not, because we'll be using these papaya seeds in our pack today because these seeds have antifungal properties in it, which helps fight dandruff. And papaya has high level of vitamin A, which helps reduce body's natural oil, which is called sebum. So it will naturally condition your hair and make it soft, silky and shiny. So we'll be making a pack today, and without any delay, let's get started. So guys, we'll be using a ripe papaya. This is a whole papaya, but we'll be using half of it. We'll take 2 spoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. All of them will go together in a mixer. After my hair wash, and the shine in my hair is pretty visible, and talking itself about the result. It feels really smooth, and honestly I didn't even use the conditioner. I wanted to see the effect of the pack on my hair, so I opted out of the conditioner. The only drawback was that the papaya I used didn't have the seeds in it, so I think you need to buy a fully grown papaya which has its seeds in it, and you can then treat your dandruff as well with this pack. This was great day 14, guys. I will see you guys on day 15 now. Bye guys.